Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and powering the unit. Turn the machine on and watch the boot sequence. This initializes internal clock hardware. Enter the admin menu using the default password only if you must change settings. Once done, set the device language and date format so timestamps match your payroll system. Make sure to replace temporary passwords and note network details. You'll need them for syncing later. This gets you into the configuration screens without delay. You now configure time and connectivity so records are accurate. If using NTP, enter a reliable server address. Otherwise, set date and time manually to the exact minute because payroll depends on precision. Next, configure network settings. DHCP is easiest, but use a static IP for stable server links. Once set, save and test the connection to your payroll or attendance server, and make sure time zone and daylight saving rules are correct to avoid future timestamp errors. Finish by registering users and validating output so the machine is payroll ready. Enter a few employee ID or enroll fingerprints, then perform sample punches to confirm records appear correctly in the report. Save all settings and export a test attendance file to your payroll software. Inspect timestamps and formats. If you encounter drifting time or missed punches, check NTP connectivity, replace the internal backup battery, and update firmware. These steps fix most time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.